everyone, I'm Neta and this is the WeChat tutorial. Let's talk about QR code. A WeChat QR code. Because using a QR code is very popular in China, WeChat has created a personal QR ID for each user without using any external app or website. How to find your QR code? Go to the WeChat icon, press on it, then on the button on Me, go to QR code, again to the QR code symbol. This is your QR code, you can show it to others. Now come back and again go to the QR code. You have above 3 dots, press on it, then scan QR code. Now you can scan other QR code. That's it. This is your name card, this is your ID, this is your wallet, this is you. Instead of writing down mobile numbers, use this easy method to get contact information directly to your mobile by scanning a QR code. In China and for Chinese traveling around the world, paying by scanning a QR code is the preferred payment method. That is why you need to make your QR code accessible so everyone could easily scan it. Scan in Chinese is Sao. If you want someone to scan your QR code, tell them Sawi Sao. Go to your WeChat icon, press on the Me icon, then you will see your profile picture in a small square and next to it on the right small sign of QR code. Press on it. Now you can see your profile picture, your name in WeChat, your WeChat ID and my QR code. Press on the small QR code. This is your QR code. You can show it to others to scan it. If you wish to scan others' code, the simple way, come back to the QR code, go to the 3 dots above, then press scan. This is it. Another way is to go back to the main menu, go to the contact button, down in the screen, as we wish to have a new contact. Now you will see a plus sign inside the circle on the upper right. Press on it. There is an open bar. You have the following options. You can open WeChat, add contacts, scan, send money and support, which is help and feedback. We want to scan, press on the scan. Another option, again, go to the plus, go to add contact and you will find a blue square with scan on it. So you can use it as well. Now let's talk design. In WeChat, you can add an image in the middle of the QR code. This image is taken directly from your current profile picture. You can change it for the creation of the QR code and change it back anytime. I will show you step by step how to find your QR code. Go to the WeChat icon, go to your QR code as we explained before. Go to Me, ID and a small QR code. Press on it. You will see your profile picture, your name in the WeChat, your ID and my QR code. Press on it. This is your QR code. The basic design and the automatic design includes WeChat icon in the middle. Let's change the design. Go to the 3 dots in the upper right side. The first option is change style. This is what we want. Other options, save to the phone. We can save it and show the QR code even if we are not connected to the Wi-Fi. Scan a QR code. If you want to scan other contact code to your phone, the last option, reset your QR code. This option only if you want to change your QR code, but remember when you press on it, you cannot get the old QR code back. So change style. Let's press on this change style. Now this is very nice. I can see my picture in the middle, my profile picture. Now let's continue and see what the other options are. Press on the 3 dots again and change design. Again, my profile picture in the middle, that's very nice. Let's continue until I'm satisfied. Again, this is very nice. This is modern, I like it. WeChat QR code, you get a cute image in the middle. Let's use it properly. Here are 3 examples for your QR image. Number 1, a picture. Make it big, nice and beautiful as possible. Number 2, a logo. If you have a logo for your company or brand, use it. Number 3. Personally, I like to use a solid color to keep it simple and nice. You just need to be creative. This is your first impression. I want to change the picture inside my QR code to a company logo or a solid color. How to do it? Go to your profile picture and press on the profile picture. Now go to the 3 dots and choose the first option, select from album. Now choose the solid color or the logo, press OK, and save it to your phone. Go back. You can see this is your profile picture. Go to your QR code. And you can see the profile picture inside the QR code. If it's not, then you can change the style. Now save it to your phone. Let's go to the album and see it offline. You can see it inside your gallery. Now after it's inside your mobile, you can share it. You have the Instagram, your email, WhatsApp, whatever. You can share it in the social media. Now let's go back. We want to change it back to the previous profile picture. Let's go back, press on the profile picture again, press on the three dots, and we have option, select previous profile picture, the second option. Press on it. This is it. I will do save and set as a profile picture. I will press on this as well. And now it's uploaded. Let's go back and see if it's updated. Yes, it's updated. This is the updated profile picture. I will give you a few examples of using the QR code. You can add it to any document. You can use it in your signature, your website, in your email. You can put it on your product. Pepe the Pig. You can put it on your door. Put it on your door? Actually, you can. Use it on your business entrance to attract customers who walks by. Then insert it to your QR code. Do some matching with WeChat design options. Export your code and use it everywhere. Don't forget, when in conversation, ask, I will scan you or you will scan me. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Have a great day. 再见.